Enjoy yourselves. Get rid of those wretched warts. Gone forever. Okay, bye. So you or someone you know has a wart. It may be just a common wart, or it might be a plantar wart, which are more common on the feet. But as you'll see, you can get them on the hands too. I had one on my hand. I want to share with you guys how I got rid of it. It worked 100% for me. Common warts when I was a child, got rid of them completely, and a plantar wart at a later age in my life. I got one on my knuckle, and the doctor said I could burn it off or something like that. And I've tried the old home remedy that I've been taught as a child, and it got rid of it. No problems, just gone, vanished. Okay, what are we on about? Warts. Let's have a look at what warts are. A plantar wart is a type of wart that typically develops on the soles of the feet. It's caused by an infection with a human HPV virus. These warts can appear individually or in clusters called mosaic warts. They are often flat or slightly raised with a rough grainy texture. They usually look like small rough lesions with a greyish brown or yellowish colour. They have tiny black spots. The key feature is a well-defined, hardened outer shell, while the core may feel soft or spongy. They often have a texture of soft rubber on the inner core, and if it is opened up, it appears wet and rubbery. Rightio, you probably all know what the wart is. We want to get rid of the wretched things. This is a photo of a milk thistle plant. They are a weed in most parts of the world, subtropical. I don't know if they grow in the tropics, but subtropical weed. It's known commonly as a milk thistle plant. It's identifiable by the little yellow flowers. Most people are familiar with these weeds. We used to call them weeds, but they've really got magic properties if you want to get rid of the warts. Okay, let's stop waffling and let's have a look on how to use the milk thistle plant to get rid of warts. As I say, this has worked for me 100% every time I've used it. It may not work for you, but what is it going to cost you to try it and find out? It's as simple as this. You just locate your plant and you just break it off at the stem, near the root, near the bottom somewhere, or half the stem a bit. Just break it off like this and you'll see a white latexy like sap appear, white milky sap appear, and all you do is rub it on the wart. Now, when I was a child, when I was a little kid and I did this, I can't remember how many times I put it on the wart, but probably a couple of times in the one day because it was new and I didn't know if it was going to work or not. So I probably did it a couple of times while I was out playing in the morning, but I know I didn't do it for any more than 2 days, and in about a week I suddenly noticed that my warts had gone. I thought, wow, it works. You're a bit distrustful of what people tell you sometimes. But anyway, that worked for me. That's okay. Later in life, like about age of 65, I ended up with one of these plantar warts. I went to the doctor. I said, what's this? I've got an infection in my finger and it won't heal. I thought it was a splinter with a bit of foreign body in the finger and it wasn't healing. But no, he said, oh, that's a plantar wart. Oh, he said, I can get rid of it. I can burn it off with some liquid nitrogen or something like that. I said, oh, yeah, no, it's not too bad. I'll wait a bit. Anyway, I'm walking past the garden, and there's a milk thistle. I thought, he said it was a wart, a type of wart. So I put the milk thistle on. Now, this is something that I had on my finger for 6 months, and it hadn't gone away. Anyway, I put the milk thistle sap on it, and guess what? A week, 2 weeks later, I happened to look at my finger and it was completely gone. I thought, wow, that milk thistle juice really works. I was researching plantar warts and I see so many people have them on their feet and they cause them enormous discomfort. And I thought, how easy would it be if this works for other people as good as it worked for me? Anyway, this is the milk thistle plant. This is how you do it. Simple, easy, quick. I didn't put any tape over it. I see some people mention you've got to put tape over it, but I didn't do anything like that. I just put it on and went away. Now, being as a child, I didn't wash my hands much, and as an adult, when I put it on, I wouldn't have washed my hands for a couple of hours after I put it on. But anyway, you guys try it and find out and see, and let me know if you have success, and if you don't have success, tell me that too. Okay, hope all the best, guys. Get rid of your warts, free, natural, with I can't see any side effects that could happen. It's a harmless sort of a plant. Okay, cheers guys, have a good one. Enjoy yourselves. Get rid of those wretched warts, gone forever. Okay, bye.